What's going on? This is another episode of Shopify tutorials. And before I get started, what I want to encourage you to do is as I said in my last video, I'm not sure if you got a chance to watch it, but in my last video, I said that if I get the this page Shopify tutorials up to 100 subscribers, which is going to be my first major milestone for the channel, what I would do is I'll be offering a link for a free Facebook ads course, completely 100% free. All you have to do is subscribe, and once I get that 100 subscribers to the channel, I'll be making the Facebook ads course, and it's a very very good course that I'm gonna go through like step by step, how to run ads, like how to target, how to look for products to target, how to target a specific products, and I think it's gonna be a very very helpful video, and all I ask is like for you to subscribe, and as soon as I hit 100, I'll definitely be putting that together for you. I just want to make sure there's enough demand for that because it's going to take a little bit of time for me to put that together and put it together properly. So that's just some quick housekeeping. But the topic of this video is basically I wanted to show you my favorite print on demand what I'm gonna say print on demand app that you can basically use in Shopify. And before I actually used this particular app, I used a app called T Launch. But T Launch is a very good app too within Shopify. But I think this one is actually better than T Launch because I think it has more product offering and there's more stuff that you can actually do. And the thing I like about print on demand, as opposed to regular drop shipping off of AliExpress or eBay, Amazon, what have you, is what I like about print on demand is that this particular service, Printful, is actually within the United States. So what happens is that you can actually deliver things to your customer much quicker than like the 3 to 4 weeks that it takes to deliver something from AliExpress or eBay, because typically they come from China, and there's a lot of issues that happen. Not to say that it's very very profitable, to use AliExpress, and I've got a lot of sales using AliExpress, but it's not the only way, and the problem is that like a lot of things happen like when you deliver from China to America or China to like Europe, which is where a lot of your sales are gonna come from. If you notice, they're gonna come to either Europe, Australia, South Africa, or the United States, Canada. So a lot of things happen between the process of transport and logistics from China to like these countries. So another alternative, like when you actually drop shipping, is to use print on demand model. And I love it because it's simply just finding designs that work and put them on a particular products. And what happens is that this particular service, it prints out everything, delivers it to the customer. You don't have to like have a whole inventory of products, and it reduces risk because the reason why it reduces risk is because you don't actually have to buy the products yourself and hold them, because a lot of times if you like do it yourself or where you were to print it and buy it, you might have an overstock of inventory and you might have to sell it for a discount, or you might be just stuck with it, or like so that's a lot of problems that can happen when you actually do it yourself. But when you use a service like Printful, which is a good print on demand service, basically eliminates that risk. If it doesn't work, all right, you just go get another design, slap it up on one of these products, and like you just keep it moving. You don't have to worry about that overstock of inventory or inventory management, which is a whole skill on into itself. That's a whole that's almost a science of inventory management. And if you don't do that correctly, you can lose lots and lots of money. But I like Printful for like various reasons. One is that, as I told you before, it's just a product offering. Like if you have a design, which you have to get a PNG design, and what I like about it is that, as I said, it offers so much different types of stuff. You can put a design on T-shirts. You can put a design on wall art, which is a canvas. You can get it stitched on hats, mugs, um, like all over designs, which like it's a collage of different pictures on a shirt, tote bags, and this right here is really really big. Leggings is a huge demand for these right now. With the popularity of what you call athleisure, like a lot of women, they love leggings, so that does very very well. So it's really cool where you can put custom designs on leggings, and like a lot of women go crazy for that. I mean, a lot of sales of doing leggings. You can put it on pillows, you can put it on phone cases, even socks, dresses, skirts, towels, like beach towels, which is super cool. And it's just like it's a very very good service. It has so much types of product offerings, and what I like about it too is that basically when you let's use hats for example. it's not just this hat. Like, it offers so much different types of hats, which is different than the one I used to use, which is called T Launch. And then what I like about this site too is the quality. The quality I think is better than other services that I used in the past. And as we click here, I mean, look how many types of hats they have. They have like the trucker hat. They have what they call the dad hat. Excuse me. They have the fitted hat. A little hat with the ball on it. Just different, so much product offerings. You have what they call a U-Pong hat, Flex Fit, the snapback hats. You can go on and on with different types of ideas. And if you could slap a winning design on that, it can become very, very profitable. So that's one example. Let's go back here and see what else they have here. Okay, so as I said, they have t-shirts. So much different types of t-shirts. What I like about this one too is that along with the regular type canvas t-shirt, what they also offer is just give this a minute to load up. Let's go here. As I said, they have different styles of t-shirts. Uh, they got hoodies. They got the regular crew neck t-shirt, sweatshirt, excuse me. And they even have, which is cool, they have stuff for babies, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go a little bit further here. They have onesies for babies. As you see here, look at this. This right here, like, really crushes it because a lot of, especially people who are having a newborn child, they love buying stuff for their babies. I talked about like the baby niche and the newborn niche being a very, very popular niche in my past video. You can watch that one. When I talk about the top 3 Shopify niches, if you look back in my videos, you'll catch that. But you could put custom designs on onesies. It's just so many, and it goes on and on. Tank tops, there's so much stuff you can actually do. And I think it's a very, very powerful way of like, going about doing the print on demand method, or print on demand business model rather. And if you'd like to get like designs done, um, there's a couple sites that I recommend. One is Fiverr, if you don't know. I'll go here and show you real quick. Let's go here. It's moving a little bit slow, so just bear with me. That's why I like to have it on preloaded sometimes. Fiverr, come on, Fiverr, Fiverr, Fiverr. So basically, like you can go to Fiverr here, and you can basically get freelancers to actually like do any type of design you like to get. Another site is I like to use is freelancer.com. You actually could hire like freelancers to actually make designs for you. So you'd get that design on a PNG file, and then you'll put it here in like in the Printful app and like get it like made. And they handle fulfillment. All you do is put the design on the shirt. They handle fulfillment and everything for you, which makes your life super easy. You know, and as I said, like a lot of this stuff are made in America, so it will deliver it to your customer in the normal 7-day period. I think 5 to 7 days. So which is powerful. So I hope you found this video very, very helpful. I definitely recommend if you're gonna go about the business model of print on demand. I definitely want to recommend you use Printful. It's an app that I really like. And as I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. And what I also want to recommend that you do is subscribe to this channel. Mash down the subscribe button, like and leave a comment under the video if you have any questions. And as I said, if you subscribe and I get to the 100 subscriber milestone, what I'll do is I'll put out that free Facebook ads course. Okay, so subscribe. If I get to 100, I'll put out that Facebook ads course. Okay, so until next time, peace.